It's 2 Minute Tuesday, and today I'll show you how to make a awesome pizza in the Pit Barrel cooker. And the best part is, you're going to love it. For this recipe, we'll use pre-made pizza dough. Start your Pit Barrel cooker and let it ash over. While the Pit Barrel cooker is warming up, put your pizza dough on the stone and add your sauce. Now add some mozzarella and Parmesan cheese all around the dough. Sprinkle on your ingredients. I am using chicken, red onion, bacon bits, and green pepper. To add a little extra flavor, I like to drizzle a little garlic butter around the edges and over the pizza. I like to finish it off with just a little more cheese on the top. Now that the Pit Barrel is ready and the pizza is made, let's put the rack in and place the pizza stone on the rack. You can place the pizza directly on the rack. I would do this if it was a take and bake or a frozen pre-made pizza. Close the lid, and in about 20 minutes the pizza will be ready. It's been about 20 minutes. Let's check on that pizza. We are looking for the cheese to be melted and the crust to be brown. This pizza looks done. Lift it out of the cooker and let it cool for 5 minutes. Then slice it and enjoy. Well, there you have it. A really awesome pizza that has an incredible taste from the smoke being infused into the ingredients. And it is easy to make. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers by liking and sharing this video with a friend, and also subscribing to my channel. Since you're already there, go ahead and click that bell icon so that you get notified of other videos like this. Let me know in the comments section below what was your favorite part of this video. And if you have any video suggestions, leave them in the comments below as well. I'm Berlin Birch. I'll see you next time.